Hi guys, how are you all? Okay, how is alchemist coming along? That's my first question for today. So if we want to move to geometry, right? We need the alchemist also to come along with us. How are you all doing with alchemist? Somebody wants to screen share and show? Would somebody like to screen share?
Hi, Priyanti.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Any other competitions coming up?
No, there was one today.
Oh, that's nice. What was that?
It was called February Regionals,
February regionals for what?
Florida.
Oh, how was it?
I got ninth.
Out of? Oh,
Like,
ninth. Ninth. You got ninth?
mm-hmm,
Oh, that's fantastic. Good job. Out of 200 or so, right?
mm-hmm.
Oh, good job. Very nice. Okay. Very glad to know. Okay. What was that you found difficult?
There was like a few problems on like area. It was like
Ah, okay,
finding
okay.
the air.
Quadratic equation areas, huh?
Kind of that, and it was like a quadratic inequality, and then it was asking to find an area of the intersection of them.
I see. I see. I
It
see.
was, it was in a horizontal line and then a parabola, and then it asked to find the intersection for the two inequalities.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, let's see. You have the questions with you?
No, not right now.
Not, oh, no, no, no. Vidyut, can you send it to me after class? I'll solve and send.
Okay.
That way we don't waste, meaning the class time as well, and I cater to your um, questions that you don't know. Make sense?
hmm
Okay. Okay. Ashwin, how are you, Ashwin? Hey, can we have this as 1.5 hours class?
Yeah.
Okay, all of you, I need, yes, very good job. Can you send it? Did you share this? Did you share the MP4 with everybody? No. You have to share with all. Okay, guys, let's move on. How was the last week homework? Did you have any questions on that? I know we were into geometric series. And Alchemist, is there anybody who wants to share screen and show? Guys, tell me yes, no, anything is okay for me. Alchemist, would somebody like to screen share and show?
My thing got restarted.
Hmm? Please repeat. What was that?
My Alchemist was restarted.
What was that?
My
Oh my
Alchemist was
gosh.
restarted. So like.
Your alchemist. See, okay. See, you have to have your IDs. Yeah, but you need to have your IDs properly, right?
Ivy.
Yeah, otherwise it's very hard, right? Okay, let's go through. Okay, any questions on the geometric sequence? The homework? I'm going to switch off my video. Any questions on the geometric sequence in the homework?
No.
No, okay. 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 I really wanted to cover the inverse functions and compositions as well. But I want to finish this geometric series. 21.3 we did. Okay, 21.4 is not important, so we can later. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these. I was reviewing UOC Algebra 1 paper, but this should be easy on you guys. Let's see. How about this, guys? This should be easy on you guys, I'm thinking. Let me share my screen. Hey, I have switched off the video. Okay, I feel it was laggy. I switched off the video. Ritisha, are you able to hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, no, just want to be sure because I feel like it was laggy, so I have switched off my video. Okay, this should be easy, guys, but this is the level of Algebra 1 end of course test. Okay, just want to make sure you're all good with these. These are all things that we have already covered. So, can we try quick? Should be easy on you guys. Similarly, this one video I have switched it off deliberately, guys. Don't mind, okay? How about this one, two? We are reviewing whatever we have learned. I'm going to go to function, composition, and inverse today. Hey, can we have a 1.5 hour class? One by one, tell me. Ritisha, are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm
Sham,
fine.
Sham, are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Ashwin, Advik?
That should be fine.
Okay. Vidyut, Swarit,
Yeah, I'm fine.
Dia,
I'm fine with it.
Swarit?
Yeah, I said I was fine.
Sorry. Johan, Vidyut, and Advik?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ashwik, are you okay? I should have written Ashwik.
Yeah, but I might have to leave like 10 minutes early because like I have guests over.
Okay. Anish, are you okay, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, let's finish a lot then. Let's see. We'll review. I want to go to function inverses, compositions, and let's see what all we can do. Go ahead. Are you able to do these? Just send it quickly, guys. We'll review at least 10 questions in the past, whatever we have done. Okay. But these are all related to end of course exam.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Yes, I got many answers. Anish, correct. Second one, please check. Ashwik. Johan, correct. Ashwik, correct. Sham, correct. Whatever you have sent. Anish, the second answer seems incorrect. Vidyut, correct. Ritisha, correct. Looks like you need challenging problems. But I'm glad. Vidyut, go ahead.
My thing is saying that it's sending tomorrow.
Vidyut, Vidyut, I already got your answers.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Can we move on? Anish, Johan, did you all get it, guys? Yes, ma, Dia. Swarit, correct. Anish, the second answer seems incorrect. What's going on? F of x is transformed to form f of x minus 23 means what? The y value.
Yeah. Oh.
This is the y value, right? Original function y value comes down 23. So y value in the original function was this. Then the value, the graph
Yeah.
was transformed to f of x minus 23. So what happens? Suppose if this is the function f of x, all its equivalent points are shifted down by 23, right? Shifted down by 23, right?
So it's D. D.
What was that answer? Hey, Johan, what did you get for second one?
T,
What was that?
D, the last one.
D, the graph. Okay, the graph translated down. Okay, good. Anish, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Yep. Anish, are you understanding what's going on, Anish, here? Ashwin, I didn't get your answer, Ashwin.
Yeah, I sent it on.
Okay, ma. Okay.
And D.
Yes. Okay, yeah. Diya correct, Sham correct. Okay. Anish, did you understand what's going on? See, when you draw this line, all the points will be all the points will go down by 23. That's all. So the lines will be parallel.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. I don't want any easy questions for you guys. So EOC will be easy. Looks like. Okay. Maybe one or two more from EOC only. Still, let's see. Okay, how about this? I'm just practicing from what we have already done. How about this, guys? One. I don't want so easy questions. Let's see. Two. Two questions are given. Hey, my video will be off, guys. I don't want it to lag. Go ahead. Ajay, you want to sit down?
Just look at
I was traveling to India. Now I have recorded now. All what we have done earlier, guys, nothing new. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's good. Johan, that seems right. If you have doubts, let me know, guys, because I'm not getting answers.
shower in cold water, part
Yeah.
says hot water.
You done? Let's see. I'll switch on my video and see. Are you done, guys?
I set my
No, no. Yeah, if you don't know, let me know.
I'm almost done with the second one.
Yeah, sure. Oh wow, Vidyut. Johan, second one is right, but first one, I don't know. I'm getting different answers. Kritisha, that's right. I think Kritisha. Vidyut, that's right. I think. Johan, can you check your first answer? Johan.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashwin, correct. That's nice to get your answer, Ashwin.
I still feel like it's right.
Okay, okay. Okay. No, each of you are getting different answers. I don't know what is the problem on the third one. I really don't know. Let's see. F of x equal to 0. So the function in intercept form. Intercept form means factored form. Intercept form is the factored form, right? X minus 7 by 5 times x plus 2 by 3. That's all I'm seeing. If you do that, just multiply. That's the function, right? Now, could represent f. Okay, let's try this. 5x minus 7 by 5, 3x plus 2 by 3. When I
Yeah.
do that, did you get that?
Yeah, I just corrected it. I saw.
Okay. Yeah, Ashwik, that seems right. Johan. Yeah, Johan. Dia, correct. Swarit, did you get it?
I got the third one. I'm doing the fourth one still.
Okay, third one, what was the answer? Send.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Anish, can you shout out what was the third answer? Anish, what was the third answer?
I'm solving it.
Hmm?
Like solving it.
Huh? What was the third answer, ma?
Didn't get it yet.
Okay. So basically, yeah, go ahead.
Do you want me to explain?
Sure.
What I did was like I first turned it into like 5x minus 7
Uh-huh.
times 3x plus 2 because when you put in those values it'll give you
Uh-huh.
0,
Uh-huh.
and then I just solved that and got the quadratic equation, which was 5x squared minus 11x minus 14, so it would be
Like this. Yama?
What I do is just I bring the denominator to be the coefficient of x.
yeah, same. I did the same thing.
Ah, good. Good. So you will iron out only between these two, right? Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
And
Okay.
yeah.
Anish, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's move on. See, f of x equal to 0 is given, so you can equate f of x to 0. For that matter, here you can equate. See, I just finished halfway through or 3 by 4th of the way. F of x equal to, so you equate this to 0, then that 15 goes off from the denominator. 15 times 0 is 0, so this becomes your quadratic equation. Okay, the second one is A and D. Second one is A and D. If you didn't get it, you will have to rise up now. Okay, but I want some harder problems for your class, I feel. Okay, anyway, but how about this? Domain and range is very important. I'm just reviewing what we have already done. Go ahead, quick. Yes, ma.
Are sequences in the EOC?
Um, 1 minute. I'm checking. You're afraid of sequences, Vidyut?
No, because they don't teach it at school.
Oh, they don't teach it at school?
No.
Okay, good to know. I'm checking. I'm checking. See, particularly Florida's, I'm checking. You know how to check Vidyut?
No.
Go to Google. Okay. Let me show you. Not for you, Vidyut.
Okay.
Not for you. I don't see it at all. See, that's why they don't teach it. But without that, do you have exponential functions then?
It's so easy. Like,
Do you have exponential functions then?
yeah, it's like very easy exponential functions though.
Yeah, yes. Very easy exponential. I see it. Because decay and growth alone they are covering, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then exponential function graphs they are covering, but they are not covering sequences. I have no idea why with you, but you don't have sequences. Okay, Texas has it though. Sham, correct, Sham. Thanks, Sham. Okay. You know what? I want to move on to the exponential function, but that's okay, guys. Even if we take time, we'll do it properly.
And taste my answer.
That is scary. Some of you are not getting it. Roll 2 minus 1. Okay, Swarit, that's right. Anish, please, I want your answer. Diya, correct. Johan, correct. Ashwin, correct. Vidyut, correct. Sham. I think it was a silly mistake from your end. Is it a minus 1 or a 1? Correct. Okay. Anish, did you understand? Ashwik, did you understand? I didn't get yours.
I just said mine.
Ashwik, is it a minus 1 or a 1?
Wait,
Domain
what?
means. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was a silly mistake. Do one thing, guys. Always domain, if they ask, put it on the x-axis and see. It goes on forever. So anything greater than this, so it's minus 1. So x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Anish, I didn't get your answer. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
You can shout out, Anish. Okay, let me move on. Yes, let's move on. Okay, more to go. Wait. Okay, so domain and range seems a little weak, guys. Okay, how about this? Slope and y-intercept and all, I'm thinking you should know this one as well. Okay, polynomial multiplication, I have not worked with you. I don't know. Let's see. I'm just revising quadratics, line equations, whichever is a simpler version we are discussing. Okay.
Yeah, auntie, we can't see the picture over there.
Can't see the picture means.
Oh no, it wasn't showing up earlier. Now we can
Oh,
see.
you know what? If I switch tabs, it's going off. Thanks
Oh,
for
okay.
letting me know. Yeah.
No problem.
Ritisha, was your answer A for the first one, ma?
Yeah, no. That was for the one before.
Previous, okay. So
Yeah.
let's put it like this, guys. One answer, two answers. But Ritisha, one also has ABCD, right, Ritisha?
Right, sorry. I meant to,
Confused?
yeah, no, I selected the wrong one. I'll resend it. Was my second answer right?
I'm checking. 1 minute. 1 second, ma. 1 second, ma. Sorry.
It's okay. I resent it, if that helps.
Ashwin, you got the answer, Ashwin? Johan seems correct. Ritisha seems correct. Sham, did you get it? Ashwin, I'm waiting. Sham, correct, Sham. Okay, clearly quadratics is taking a little more time.
Candy.
Yes, ma.
What about my answer? Okay.
Perfect. Done, guys? Okay, I'm going to bring up a harder problem. Okay, you guys seem to be too good with all this. Ashwin correct, Sham correct. Okay, I'm going to bring up a harder problem, guys. Diya, is that right, Diya? Diya, did you already send the answer, ma? No, right?
I sent the answer.
Dia, can you redo? Both don't seem to go well. Which statement is best supported by the graph? Let me check, okay? They're talking about zeros. Zeros are minus 6 and 0. Okay. Let me see the properties of this function. Vertex is minus 3, 9. Okay. Axis of symmetry is x equal to minus 3. So when you look at it, right, Dia, this seems wrong, right? It has a max value. The function's max value is 9. The function has a 0 at 6 is incorrect. All these are incorrect. This is the only right answer. Dia, did you get that?
Yeah.
And then, which statement is true? Here again, Dia, this one, right? How did you do, Ma? 3 can be taken as common. When you look at it, 3 is the common of all the coefficients. Make numbers work for you. So, 7, 3. This is 12, right? Dear, does this make sense? 36. So, it's a trinomial. Can be factorized. 36, right, Ma? 36. But yeah. So, 36 means the factors can be, what are the factors? 36 and then 12 you should get 9 and 4. 4x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 36. Take 4 as common here. Minus 4 is common. X plus x minus 9 here. And then this should be take something feels so wrong to me. Hold on. Did I make a mistake? 36, 9 4s are 36, 9, oh no, okay, the way I factorized was incorrect. $36 and minus 12, right? 9 and 4, what else? 5, 6, 6 and 6, guys, okay. 6 and 6, 4x square minus 6x minus 6x plus 9, so 3. Dia, are you there with me? Anish, I didn't get your answer as well. Hmm? I didn't get your answer, right, Anish? So the answer is D. The only 0 is 3 by 2 here. And then the factored form is this. Anish and Dia, did you both get?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let me bring up a harder problem. Let's see where we are on that. I don't want to be discussing these easy ones. Okay, let's see, guys. I don't know if it's easy or hard, okay? Okay, let's see this one. I don't know even if I have the answers with me. I don't have the answers with me. I'll work it out, guys. Ashwin, quick question to you. Have they done exponential functions for you? In school?
Oh,
Have they done exponential functions?
I have done it a while back. I'm not sure.
At school, Amma, have they done geometric sequences?
I don't think they've done secret.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll stop the review here and I'll move on now. But if I can get one more, let's see. That's a hard one. That's a difficult one. Not a part of your usual algebra as well. Let's see. Can I help? Any thoughts? How are you all solving it?
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Whoa. Okay. Did you know how to solve, Vritisha?
I didn't really use a method. I just like plugged it in.
Okay, let's see. Let's discuss. That was a difficult one. Whoa, Swarit, good job. Not quite, Johan. Ritisha, that's correct. Yes, Ashwik, I'm waiting for your answer. Anish, not quite. Okay, we'll wait a little bit. Ritisha, you want another problem, harder one challenge?
Sure. Why not?
Yeah, yeah, because the others have solved, the others are solving, and I don't want you to keep quiet.
Okay.
Let's say I'll give you a harder one. Ritisha, I have to check how to derive this answer, okay?
Okay.
I don't have the answer with me, but I can work with you. Let's see. Go ahead. You asked for a harder problem, okay?
Wait, could I also do this one too?
Yes, please, sorry. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Yes.
It's okay.
We have to derive the answer. I don't have the answer though, but we can. Dia, good job, ma, on that one. Sham, good job. Ashwin, good job.
Priyanti,
Yes.
can you help me on the first one? I can solve the
Yes,
second one though.
absolutely, absolutely.
I can solve the second one though.
You can solve the second one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
You know what? I'm still thinking on the second one. How to get that curved area, I'm not getting yet.
Wait,
Let's see.
okay.
Let's see. We'll do it together.
Randy, I sent my answer. I'm not sure if it's right though.
Sorry, guys. I'm back. Tell me.
I sent my answer for the second one. I'm not sure if it's right though.
Anish, correct. I don't understand the second one. Okay, second one seems a little harder. Second one is Johan will do, but the first one is not a F, Johan. Oh wow, with you, second answer is correct.
Oh, okay. Wait, what about my first one? I gave the first one too.
First one is as well right. See, I told you that these two are difficult questions. Okay, end of course exams for you will be to the level of what we did till now. But the last two, the current two are the hardest.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to explain Vidyut.
Okay, I saw kind of like the distance formula. I used like the distance formula or something. I don't know. I just
Yes, you use the distance formula. Correct, that is correct. Sham. For the second one, it's not F. Okay, first Vidyut, let me finish the first one. You can do the second.
okay,
Second.
just quickly go to the bathroom and then come back.
C?
Yeah. Go. What ma?
Is it C? Is it C?
Is it C? For which one, ma?
Number 1?
Number one, correct. So for this one, A1 plus C, how did you, Ritisha? You said it was so easy. Why don't you tell me what was your strategy? Each of them can have different strategies. Go ahead.
Oh, I didn't really have like a certain formula. I just like plugged all of them, plugged the ones that I thought would, the ones that I knew would like work and canceled out the ones I didn't. So it won't be A because if it was like what's it called, a difference of 5, then you wouldn't end in 4, and it wasn't E, so it had to be either B, C, or D. So I tried those. B worked for the first one. It didn't work for the second one, and then C worked for all of them.
Oh
C
my
works for
goodness.
both guys.
So you found out A1, A2, A3, A4 and then did it?
Yeah, kind of.
Nice. See, each of our brains can think differently, right, Ritisha? I welcome
Yeah,
that.
like
Okay.
sometimes when formulas don't work for me, I just try like a different way without a set formula.
Good. That was good. Who else had a
Okay.
different strategy?
Auntie,
Uh-huh.
could I guess for the second one?
Yes.
Is it like A?
Yeah, me too.
Mm,
I'm trying to guess A.
oh,
I'm
wow.
trying to find
How do
where
you have those guesses, guys? That's
So,
true, but how did you have those guesses?
so what I did is I did like so I
One
found
minute, Ashwik, 1 minute. Okay, before I ask that, can we finish this one? How did you do Ashwik and Swarit? How did you do the first one? See, she did trial and error. That was clever. But how did you do the first one? See, when you think
Um,
about it, what is the sum of an arithmetic series, guys?
um, A of
A1 plus AN
1 plus
divide by
2.
just the average times n, right?
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yep. So now AN can be written as what? A1 plus
Uh,
A1 plus n
equal
minus
to,
1 times D, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So this becomes 2A1 plus n minus 1. This formula you know already, right?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Am I making sense? Am I making sense till here? Anish, are you following or whoever? Meaning, are you following? Can I move on?
Auntie,
Yeah.
I have to be honest, thinking
Uh,
about it, I have no idea how I did the second one, but it just was one of the answers.
Wait, n minus 1, what would you plug in for n minus 1? Because,
one
like,
minute.
I know it's like the term, like, if you want to.
Okay, here, see, this one is the sum of the formula, right? Now, this is S4, right? This is S8, right? So I just substitute n is equal to 4. If I do that,
Oh,
S4 is equal to, I don't know what is A1, don't worry about it, okay? But I know what is n here, right? 4. So it becomes 3D divide by
um,
2 times what? N is 4, right ma? So
yeah.
this becomes S4 is 20, just equate it. 20 equal to 2A1 plus 3D times 2, right? I divide by 2, so this becomes one equation. You got it?
Oh,
The second one, Sham, are you following or is it very abstract? Substitute n is equal to what? 8. S8 will be equal to 104 equal to same thing. Okay. 2a1 plus n minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7d. Divide by 2 times 8. So this becomes 4. I divide by 4 on both sides. 2's are 8. 4 6 are 24. So 26 equal to 2a1 plus 7d. Does that make sense to solve these two equations? Does that make sense? 16 equal to 4d, d equal to 4 is what I am getting. So answer has to be this or this. When d equal to 4, substitute it in here. 12 minus 2. So a1 will be equal to minus 1. So answer is C. Diya, did you get it? Ashwin?
Yeah.
Did you catch that, or did you have your own answer?
After you told me, I know.
But you got it. So you will frame two equations in two variables. Sometimes it's very easy to use that. Now, this one, I don't know, guys. How did you solve? Who solved this?
Explain it.
Yeah, please.
So first you need to calculate the distance here, like from the center, like from this edge all the way down here. So I did the Pythagorean theorem and I got 1/2.
Correct.
And then I got like √2/2, and then I subtracted this length to find this. So then I got √2/2 minus 1/2. So I got √2
Okay.
√2 minus
Vidit,
1.
Vidit, you're too fast. Let's do one by one. Okay. Okay. This is the center of the circle, center of the square. So you calculated this distance, correct? So
Yeah.
taking this as 0, 0, you calculated this distance, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this should be what? This point should be what? 0.5, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what was the distance between these 2 points? 0.5 minus 0 the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So 0.5 minus 0, 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, correct?
Yeah. And then you subtract 1/2 √2/2, and then you get √2 minus 1, and then you do pi r squared to find the area of the
1 minute, 1 minute. Why did you subtract? Correct. But why did you correct? But why did you subtract √2 by 2? Where is √2 by 2? This is 1 by 2. So let me erase this off and say we calculated the distance and we came up with this is a good question to solve. Okay, we came up with √2 by 2. This one is this one is 1 by 2. Okay, then what did you do?
I just wanted to find the radius of the circle.
You wanted to find the radius of the circle. How did you do?
So I just subtracted the 2 to find the radius of the circle.
What if you just
Subtracted which one, ma?
√2
Subtracted
over
which one
2.
with the
I used the
√2 by 2.
Pythagorean theorem.
I didn't do it like that.
You okay, 1 minute, Ashwik. I'll ask you. Vidyut, what is the next one? You found the distance to be half. After that, what did you do?
I subtracted half from √2/2.
Oh, where is this √2 over 2? Why is this √2 over 2? What is this √2 over 2?
Because
I have a question.
I don't know how to explain it.
I have a question.
Okay.
What if you just found the Pythagorean theorem of like only this part
Mm.
of triangle, and then you just subtracted 1/2 because that there's one radius here and then another radius here, so then just subtract by 1 and then divide it by 2.
Anish, your question is valid. Okay, you're going to find this distance and do what, Amma?
And then just subtract it by 1 because that there's one radius here and another radius here. And then you'll find the diameter and you just have to divide that
Yeah,
by
you'll
2.
find the diameter and the yeah, you can do that.
Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
the √2/2 is the distance between the radius of this circle, the quarter circle, to the edge of the quarter circle, the radius of the quarter circle.
Okay, √2 over 2 is which distance with you? Okay, let me allow you to do that. Okay, so we know this half, but what is this √2 by 2? Where did you get that? See, whatever you've done is correct, but I want to know how did you do that?
So first, because we need to find the radius of this, I found the entire radius of this, and then I
Very nice.
subtracted the distance between that. So that's like the -1/2 for like the entire part.
Okay,
And then
so you got this as root 2 by 2, huh? You got this as
yeah.
root 2 by 2?
Mm-hmm.
Good, 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 good. Okay, so that distance, how did you get root 2 by 2? Let's see. Okay, you used Pythagorean theorem. Huh? This is half, right? Half, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do your way. Yeah, I think that's right. So this is half, this is half. He used Pythagorean theorem to find out this distance, half square plus half square. So the square root of this is this distance x, right? So x will be equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 inside is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, so square root of 1 by 2. You cannot write it like this with irrational denominator. So what do? You
Rationalize
multiply
it.
by root 2, yes, so you get root 2 by 2. So that is your distance x. So from that distance x, you can clear, this is your distance root 2 by 2. But then from that distance, you can clearly subtract, see the radius of the quarter circle is half, so you can subtract that to get the radius of the blue disk. So root 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the radius of this quarter circle, right? If you subtract that, then you will get the value, this distance, right? So that would be root 2 minus 1 by 2. That is the radius. So pi r square. After
Yeah,
that,
that's
what
what I
did you
did.
do with it?
I squared the equation, and then like pi r squared, and then I just put pi at the end because I didn't want to multiply by 3.14.
Good. So root 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So that will be this. That's what you did?
Yeah.
Okay. So to do this, the easiest way is a minus b the whole square, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 4. So this one becomes 3 minus 2 root 2 by 4 times pi. But this one is a common denominator for both. It can be written as pi times 3 by 4 minus root 2 by 2. Any questions?
Brianti,
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna
this
do
is a
this.
geometry question.
This is a geometry question. Yes.
Because there's like this test in my school for like geometry kids, and the algebra students just took it for fun. And like
Yes.
something like this came up.
Yeah, but you know what we are learning in this book in Algebra 1, we learn the distance formula, right? That's why I gave you this.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on now. I think we have spent enough time. Okay, guys. Now tell me this one. On a chessboard, okay? Let's go, okay? Let's do this one, this exercise, okay? Person 1, person 2, okay? I'm going to start exponential functions, okay? Already we have wasted a lot of time reviewing. That's good. Okay, so on a chessboard, I start with 1 grain, okay? 1 grain, 1 candy, okay? The next day, on the second square of the chessboard, I add 2, okay, meaning on the second square of the chessboard I keep on adding rice, okay, whatever I kept on the first day plus 2, then on the third day whatever I kept on the second day plus 2. Let's say this is a2, this is a1 was only 1, but then to get a2 I added 2 to a1 on day 3. When you think about it, what I did was, whatever I had on day 2, I added 2 more candies and placed on the third square. Person 2, what he did, he placed 1 grain of rice on the first day on the first square of the chessboard. Okay, then on day 2, what he did was, he multiplied by 2 whatever he had on first day, he multiplied by 2. Here on the third day, what he did, whatever he had on second day, he multiplied by 2.
I feel like
So
I've heard this somewhere.
oh, nice. Okay. So now what happens? What do you think? Meaning, who is clever? I want to accumulate the maximum amount of rice. Person 1 is the clever person, or person 2 is the clever person? Person 1 is the clever person, or person 2 is the clever person? See, when you think about it, let's try this one.
Two.
Person
Two.
By a
Because
lot.
multiplying by 2 is doubling it, while adding 2 is just
Yeah,
increasing
it gets
it.
exponentially bigger.
Yeah.
Correct. So what is it? So what is this sort of a function? What is this sort of a function?
That
Person
one's a
one is an
linear and that one's an
arithmetic.
exponential.
Good
Person.
job, guys. Do you see linear? The slope is 2 here, meaning it's a common difference that goes on. Do you see? Whereas here, when you think about it, right, the sequence, right? Let's try the sequence. 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Here, let's see what happens. 1, 3. The first day, this person might look clever. You see, in a short term, the arithmetic sequence might look clever. Do you see? This
Yeah.
keeps growing more, looks like it, but then when you think about it on a long term, right, 5 plus 2 is a 7, here 4 times c, it start increasing. So in the long run, person 2 becomes cleverer. Okay, so basically the multiplication by 2 is more of a geometric sequence. It's a geometric series, a geometric sequence, I'll say. The number of rise I'm thinking about each square, right? So it's a geometric sequence. Here it's an arithmetic sequence. Any questions still here? So if you want to accumulate the maximum number of rise, when you think about it, you start with $100. Let's say you start with, I'm not starting with rice or candies. Okay, I'm starting with $100. So which one will grow faster? Which one grows faster? Which one gives you more money? You start with $100 in
The
both
geometric
places.
one.
Automatically the exponential one, right?
Yeah.
So automatically geometric sequence grows very fast than an arithmetic series, arithmetic sequence. Okay, let's see this one. Now you should be able to answer these. Let's see. Okay, now do you think you can come up with a function? Do you think we have learned the explicit formula? Okay, we have learned the explicit formula. Let's say person 1. Let's talk about the person 1, person 2. Let's really understand this nicely so you don't need to go in. Meaning, exponential function will come automatically to you. Okay, person 1, what he does? He starts with 1. Okay, person 2 starts with 1. Same thing. But then this guy keeps on adding 2. This guy keeps on multiplying by 2. As a result, can you write down the explicit? Why am I asking you to write the explicit formula? I want to know how many candies this person 1 accumulated in 10 days. I want to know that. So I'm asking you to write the formula for the number of candies accumulated by this person after n days. Can we do that? Same thing, meaning how many candies did this person accumulate? So you have to write the explicit formula after n days. Can we try that, guys? Meaning f of x is a function that tells you the number of candies. First he started with 1 candy. Then the second day he added 2 more. Then third day he added 2 more to that. And the fourth day he added 2 more to that. So if it's so confusing, the best way is you can do it as x and f of x for this person. Okay, he started with 1. Then he went on to 3. Then he went on to 5. Then he went on to 7. So like this you can frame. Suppose g of x be this person's function. Okay, so here x and g of x you can plot. So can you tell me, it started with 1. He started with 1 on the first day. Second day he multiplied by 2. So it became 2. Then it became 4. So like that, I want to know what happened on the nth day. Can you write the formula for both? Are you good? Can I give you food? Okay. Go ahead, guys. Both, please try, okay? That way, if you write it down, you by yourself know how to write exponential functions already.
Wait, this is for n?
For n, yes.
So the nth term, right?
Yes, nth term I want to know, so I'm asking you to write the explicit formula. Does that make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we put our answers together?
Yes, I want to compare both, Amma.
Okay, sorry.
No problem. Take your time.
Because I put them
Put them together. Okay, I didn't check. Let me see. See, by writing this, here itself you'll know how to write an exponential function. You don't need to go further at all. Swarit, I appreciate your answer, but I want it in terms of you know
And
n, right? You know n, you know the first term.
Miss Priya, I set my answer.
I sent my answer too.
Oh wow.
wait, for
Okay. Ritisha,
geometry.
can I be a nitpicker, Ritisha? You have given the input as X, but the right
Oh,
side says N. You see what I mean? I'm a
oh,
nitpicker. Remember.
oh, you
Okay,
want
yeah.
me to put X instead of N?
Exactly.
Auntie,
Yama,
what about my answer?
I got 4 answers. Suda.
There, I fixed it.
Sham as well change it. Good.
Wait, this is for geometric sequence or both? Arithmetic sequence?
Both. In 10 days, yeah. In 10 days, what will be the amount of grain in both?
Oh, okay.
Ritisha, the second one I want. Mm. Oh, yes. Correct, Vidyut.
Do I do the one for 10 days too?
Yeah, both. 10 days, how much grain will be accumulated by person 1 and person 2?
Okay.
Uh, Anish,
Yeah.
not really. Not really, Anish. I want the function, Amma. Okay. Ashwin, are you getting it or can I help? You can feel free to tell. Don't worry. See, some one of you is getting it in one turn, another one is getting it in the other turn. Doesn't matter at all to me. If you don't get it, shout out.
Okay, Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Wait, is it like GF equals like that?
Correct. G of x equal to in terms of n, your answer should be Anish. Good
Oh,
ask.
for person 2, it's in terms of n?
Okay. If you take x as your input, send it as x. If you take n as your input, send it as n. I can check.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to worry. Correct, Maratisha. See how much difference an exponential function is producing.
Wait,
Correct.
is it like
Johan, correct.
Auntie,
Ani. Uh-huh.
isn't there like a formula for the exponential? Wait, isn't it the first term times the ratio to a power of n minus 1?
Perfect. That's the explicit formula.
Oh,
Good job.
Thanks.
Wait, Auntie.
Swarit, that's correct. That's
Uh,
correct, Swarit.
Auntie, can I go
Both
to the
are
bathroom really quick?
Mm.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Hey, Swarit,
Yeah.
can you send the answer for the number of grains for week in 10 days?
In 10 days?
Mm.
I actually figured that out already.
Oh, correct. Ashwin. Ashwin, I think you also got it very well, right,
Wait,
Ashwin?
for both f of x and g of x?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes. So, Anish, Seema, Anish, I really want you to listen.
Yeah.
For explicit formula for this one is f of 1 plus n minus 1 d, correct? Now n remains as n, but d is 2, right, Anish? So the first term is 1, right, Anish? 1 plus n minus 1 times d is 2, right, Anish? So 1 plus 2n minus 2. So answer is 2n minus 1. So f of n in this case is 2n minus 1. On the 10th day, substitute n is equal to 10, you get f of 10 equal to 19. So 19 candies would have been accumulated by person 1. Anish, did you get it?
Yeah.
For the second one, the formula becomes, this is the, g of x. So here f of n would be equal to f of 1 times the common ratio power n minus 1. See, to get the second term, you multiply the first term by 2. To get the third term, you multiply 1 with 2 common ratios. So, r power n minus 1. R is 2 power n minus 1. What is f of 1? It's 1. So, the function here becomes f of n, or I can write it out as g of x. That's what I wanted, right? Equal to 2. If I write x as input, x should be the input everywhere on both sides of the equation. So here, if I substitute x is equal to 10, Dia, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
2 power of 9 is the answer. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Anish, did you understand?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Now, can we try plotting the function 2 power of x? Now, you know the left side, okay? We have already learned arithmetic series a lot, okay? Now, I'm going to clear everything. I'm going to take the function g of x, right? Let me take it as 2 power of x. If I have a function 2 power of x, right? Let's try this one. Can we try to plot it in a graph? How do we plot it in a graph? Exponential functions are functions, remember this one, guys, where your variable becomes your exponent. Where your variable, meaning variable will not be present as a base and all. This is not an exponential function at all. Exponential functions are when the variable is a part of your exponent. It can be 2 power of x minus 1, 2 power of x minus 2. It just depends on where we get started for the function. So I took up my own exponential function. What function? We had 2 power of x minus 1 there, right? So I took it as 2 power of x. Now, can you go ahead, put some input values, output values, some negative, some positive, please. Do you know how to plot any function? You should plot it like this. Do you know how to plot this?
Yeah.
Who has a if you don't have doubts, please go ahead and plot and show.
Auntie, in school, I was playing around with Desmos, so I know how this looks like.
Oh, you know how it looks like?
It's like kind of like a curve like this, right?
It'll be like a U.
No, it'll be like a little flat at the beginning and then it just takes off.
Wouldn't it have an asymptote?
Yes, it will have an asymptote. Yes,
Wouldn't
it
it
will.
be like
It will. Yeah, it is a U. It is a partial U.
Yeah,
Auntie,
partial on one side.
wouldn't it be like this, like that?
Correct.
Oh,
And then the range is y is greater than whatever the asymptote is.
Correct. Good job. Swarit, where did you get it? School taught you?
School.
Oh, school, okay.
Well, they taught the basics.
Okay, we'll go a little deeper. Let's see. Little deeper, illa, we'll go deeper. Meaning, some more we'll cover. Let's see. So x should be as an exponent for exponential functions. Okay. Did you get it? Uh, Guys, I want to see the graph on the video, please. Thank you, Anish. How did you put that? Yes, you have to teach me. I don't know how to do that. Is there a reaction?
Go to
Huh?
react and then there's a check mark.
Ah, that
Like
says
this.
yes. Let me try. Okay, you guys go ahead. Show me the graph. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Nice. I didn't know. Thanks. Oh, as a host, I can't react, looks like. That's bad. Yeah, I'm not able to react. Okay. Ashwin. Yeah, Ashwin. But do you know the XY values, Ashwin? Yes. Yes, Ashwin. So when you plot it in the graph, what happens, Amma?
Looks like a way that it goes. It has
You
an
want to show
axis.
me? You want to show me? You want to show me?
I don't know if I can.
You can just show me on the video. You have a paper, meaning notebook, pencil, right? Graph it and show me on the video.
Oh,
I can quickly spot the mistake if you have any. Yeah, good job, Ritisha. Vidyut, correct. Sorry, you didn't show me. You blurred the video. You didn't show me
Yeah,
at all, and then you took it out.
yeah, the video is
Okay.
blurred.
No, no. If you got it, I'm happy. But I really want each of you to get this. Oh yes, Amma. Yes, yes, yes. You can blur again. Thank you, thank you. Yes. So what? Okay. Okay, I'll go ahead now. Dia, do you have it?
I'm graphing it right now.
Okay. முறுக்கு எப்படி சாப்பிடுவா அவர் எப்படி எடுத்துன்னு போ டப்பாவே எடுத்துன்னு போ
Priya aunty.
Go ahead.
What would 2 to the power of x to the power of x look like then?
Ah, good one. 2 to the power of x to the power of x, it will be very, very steep. But by property of exponents, what happens? By property of exponents, what happens? Power of powers. 2 power of?
Wouldn't like the first point, wouldn't like the domain be x is greater than or equal to
We'll
0?
try. We'll try. I really like this. We'll try this one. Okay. Right off my head, I don't know what is a domain. I can check. I'll think about it, or we'll do it in Desmos and see. How
Okay.
about this? Did you guys get it? Dia, did you get it, ma? So this will be 2 power of minus 2 will be 1 by 4. 2 power of, oh, what is happening to my pen, guys? 2 power of minus 1 will be 1 by 2. 2 power of 0 will be 1. 2 power of 1 will be 2. So basically minus 2 comma 1 by 4 is a point. Minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 is a point. And then 0 comma 1 is a point. 1 comma 2 is a point. 2 comma 4 is a point. So these two are the coordinate points. When I plot it in a graph, right? Minus 2 comma minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, 0 comma 1. This is 1, this is 2, right? So 1 comma 2. See? The graph goes like this. Okay, when you think about it, right, you go to minus 1000. When you go towards the most negative end, what happens? 2 power of minus 1000. So it will be a small value or a big value, Sham?
Small.
Very, very small value. Sham, for you it will be a deep, what to say, ramp up. Your school graphs come 5 years later. That's what I see. Okay, you don't study graphs in parallel with your algebra. Okay, so it's a good learning. You can think of math in different ways. Okay, so here this is going to be a very small value. So what happens is this graph is going to merge with the x-axis. This graph wants to merge with the x-axis, but even if you have 2 power of minus 1 minus 1 followed by 10 zeros, right? It will still be a small value, but it won't merge with the x-axis. Do you see it? The graph goes very near the x-axis, but it will never merge. So when you have a line, what is this line equation called? This line equation is y equal to 0. When you have a line to which the graph is trying to merge but never merges, never it will merge, that is called, this line y equal to 0 to which the graph merges is called asymptote. Any questions? Right, today we'll just say, hey, graphs never merges with asymptotes. Graphs will never cross asymptotes. That's what we are going to say today. But very soon you will say, hey, you will start understanding there are some graphs where the graph crosses horizontal asymptotes. But for today, we'll say, hey, this line tries to merge but never merges with the line y equal to 0. So it is called asymptote. The line y equal to 0 is an asymptote. Make sense? Okay, suppose if I give you, now I gave you what do you want? F of x equal to 2 power of x. Now what is this, guys? We learned that the graph was like this. What is this? Huh? How about this? How about this, guys? I really want you to grab this. Please learn now itself, okay? You don't need to relearn at all. It'll be very nice. Quick. If you can do it quickly, it's easier. Anish, this time I really want to see your graph, Anish. I'll pick one of you, one or two of you each time. Anish, Diya, if possible, I would like to see yours.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
I don't really remember. Okay, you have to wait. Yes, Ashwik. Oh, you have it? Okay, Ashwik, yes. Thanks, Ashwik. Thanks, Ashwik. Yes, Ashwik. So
Okay.
now tell me the y-intercept, Ashwik. Tell me the y-intercept point of this graph, Ashwik. Of both the graphs, for that matter.
Would the y-intercept be would it be 1?
Yes, Swarit. Swarit, correct. So tell me, both of you, whoever completed, right? Try to find the y-intercept. Try to find what else we can find. We'll find the y-intercept. We'll find the domain. We'll find the range. These are the properties of exponential functions.
Priyanti,
Yes.
Isn't it 1?
the first one doesn't have a y-intercept. Actually, no, I was thinking of x-intercept. My bad.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
what I thought. Good.
The first one, y-intercept is 1, and same with the second one.
Good. For both of these graphs, the y-intercept is going to be 0, 1. Good job.
Domain for both graphs is all real numbers.
X is great. X is,
Or,
yeah, all reals.
real numbers.
All reals, okay.
And then range is y is greater than 0.
Y is greater than or equal to 0. Having said
Wait,
this,
not equal to.
sorry, yes, because of the asymptotes, right? Good job, good correction. Yeah, but guys, I think I discussed with you the two notations. Unlike algebra 2, this comes in algebra 2, meaning one is for any domain range, for any function. I'm not going to discuss the set notation now, but let's discuss the interval notation and inequality notation.
Oh.
We discussed this, right? What is this interval notation?
I
What
did
is the
this in
starting?
school.
Huh?
I did this in school.
Yeah, so what is the starting point? Starting point, ending point. All real means minus infinity to plus infinity, right?
And two
When
parentheses.
you have minus infinity and plus infinity, you're going to use parenthesis. Parenthesis means the end minus infinity and this end plus infinity will not be touched. It's like greater than or equal to means you use this bracket. Greater than means you use this bracket. Less than means you use this bracket. Without the equal to sign, if you use, you have to use parenthesis. Infinity is something we cannot touch, so you'll use the parenthesis. Any questions? Now, how to write the inequality notation? Minus infinity is less than x is less than infinity. That's the domain. Coming to the range, I really want you to be able to write in both the notations. In interval notation, how will you write? Lowest point, highest point. How will you write? 0,
Wait,
comma,
Infinity.
infinity. And then wouldn't
infinity.
it be open parentheses and for
No,
both?
it'll just be parentheses for both.
Well,
Parentheses for both.
parentheses,
Why? Why?
because it doesn't touch 0.
Exactly. Suppose if I have a function which has it like this, then I will have a square bracket to start with, because 0 it can touch, can be equal to, comma, infinity. Ritisha, are you following?
Priya aunty,
Yep.
in school we did this really weird thing. So instead of when we were graphing, instead of using like closed circle, open circle, we used the bracket or parentheses.
Which is nice, right? You're learning part of algebra too. So algebra 2, they will be merciless in taking away points if you don't use the parentheses and square brackets correctly. They will not have mercy when you go to algebra 2. So better try to understand the concept. So here this is included, meaning the 0 is included in the interval. The parenthesis means the infinity is excluded in the interval. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Miss Priya, actually, I was at a summer camp last year, and we had to do like algebra 1, and that was like one of the first things they taught us was
Oh,
the
nice.
interval.
Interval. Oh, nice. Interval and inequality notation. Set notation is the third notation and the last notation that we are not discussing now. Okay, now we know we did for both, right? So, what do you think about this? What do you think about this function and this function? What type of functions are they? You saw the graphs, okay? I'll draw the graphs for you now. You saw the graphs, okay? This graph was this. What do you think about these two graphs?
They're exponential.
Yeah, they're
One is
exponential. What else?
one is negative.
One is
Well,
negative. What do you?
well, by that I mean like one is decreasing. Like one is growing exponentially and one is decreasing exponentially is what I
Good
mean.
job. This is a growing function. When you think about it, right? You had your initial point 1. 1 was the value at 0, right? That 1, you go on, keep on multiplying with 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many ever 2's you want, you go on multiplying. Once you multiply an original number, this is your original number, be it any number, 1 or 100 or a 2 or a 3, whatever the original number is, you go on multiplying with 2. That is this function. Whereas this function, you had the same 1, the starting point when x equal to 0, that you went on multiplying by half, 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 half. You halved it, halved it, halved it, halved it. Then what happens? The function value goes on decreasing. So it's a decay function. This is an exponential growth. This is an exponential decay. Are you getting it, guys? Am I making sense?
And
Okay. Yeah. So now this is exponential growth, this is exponential decay. Okay. You want your money to exponentially grow like this. You got it? Yep. Now let's see this one. Let's see this one. I don't want to erase this. But what happens here, guys? F of x is equal to 2 power of x plus 3. What happens? See, we covered transformations, right? That's why I'm putting it out. Usually, I don't discuss this in an Algebra 1 class. But what happens if I put f of x equal to 2 power of x plus 3?
The graph
Move
goes
up by
to
3.
3. The
What is it?
asymptote becomes y equals 3.
So what? Good. Did you learn that in school?
Yeah.
Miss
Good. Yeah, go ahead.
I have to go right now.
You go, ma. You go, ma. I'll be done in another 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye, Ashwik. Okay, go ahead, guys. Now, when you think about it, right? What happens here? You tell me. the graph is this, okay, but for every y value gets incremented by 3. So what will happen to the graph? The asymptote goes there, right? So that becomes, this y equal to 3 becomes your asymptote. Make sense? So any exponential function can be written with the general formula a b power of x plus c or d, whatever, c, let me put it here. C is the asymptote usually. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Or I'll write it like this. I don't want this. I'll write with all, wait guys. I'll write it in a very sophisticated way, okay? F of x equal to a b power of x minus h plus k. This means what? K tells you what is your asymptote, whether the graph moved up or down, because y value gets incremented or decreased, right? So K tells you about your asymptote. And then what happens here? This tells you horizontally whether the exponential function became horizontal. See, this one tells you your vertical up or down. This one tells you horizontal right or left shift. That's enough for now. Okay, let's move. Let's see what happens. Let me go ahead and give you 1 or 2 problems in this, and then we'll see. Now guys, if I say, you know f of x is this, right? What is this, guys? F of x equal to minus 2 power of x. What is that? How will the function be? What is that minus? What does that minus do?
It'll make it flipped.
Below the x-axis.
It will be below the, so what is happening? Yes, Johan, it will be below the x-axis, correct. This function will be like this. What did it do actually? How did I draw this graph quickly?
You reflected on the x-axis.
Yup, this minus, right, tells you the y value, the f of x value got negated. F of x value got negated. Okay, before we go there, right, we'll consider this point 1, 2. When I reflect it on the x-axis, when I reflect this point on the x-axis, the point becomes 1, minus 2. Did you see x-axis reflection, y gets negated? Am I making sense? Suppose if you reflect it on the y-axis, this becomes minus 1, 2. So y-axis, when you reflect it, your x value is negated. Did you get it, guys? Don't get confused at all. So when you look at this, your entire y value is negated. That means your usual exponential growth function just reflected on the x-axis. That's what is this. Did you get it?
Yeah.
How about this? F of x equal to 2 power of minus x. What will happen to that graph? We know the parent graph is this. What will happen to this graph? What value got negated now?
The exponent.
The x.
Yeah, meaning the x value is getting negated. So it should be a reflection on the
Y-axis.
yeah, it should be a reflection on the y-axis, right? Yeah, it's a reflection on the y-axis. This part will become this. Then this part, right, will become what? It will be reflected here. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So what did we learn today? We learned about f of x equal to 2 power of x, meaning exponential function. We learned how to graph. And then we also learned about 2 power of x plus 3, 2 power of x minus 3, 1 minute, 2 power of x minus 2, 2 power of, wait, 2 power of x minus 2, 2 power of x plus 2. All these, you know what they are doing. Did you guys get it? Now let me put it as different functions. You know all these graphs is what I'm assuming. Tell me if you don't know. Tell me, guys. Did you get all of this? And then we also learnt about this one. We also learnt about this one. Basically, inserting a negative here tells you that the y value got negated and it was a reflection on the x-axis. Here it tells you that the x value got negated and it was a reflection on the y-axis. Any questions still here to me? Ashwin, are we clear? Or was it a little too much?
I got it.
Clear? Okay. No, if you feel it's a little too much, you have to let me know, guys. Okay. Now, can you do this? 3 power of 2x equal to 3 power of x minus 5. 3 power of 2x equal to 3 power of x minus 5. 3 power of 2x equal to 3 power of x minus 5. One clue, guys. In exponential function, when the base is the same, you can always equate the exponents. When the base is the same, you can always equate exponents. Can you find out? What is x? You do it, I'll be there.
Hey, Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
I had a question in my competition and I remembered because it was so hard.
Can we discuss that now after this class?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. I really want to do one or two more. One or two more, please, and then we'll discuss. Okay. Hey, next week we'll discuss simple interest, compound interest. We'll discuss. See, exponential function is really, really good. Meaning, yeah. Let's see, guys. 2 power of what is this? It's so confusing. Let's do this. Done. That's right. X equal to minus 5. That's correct. X equal to minus 5. I'll go ahead and delete this. How about this? How about this? Let me do this. 2 power, please, if you don't understand, you have to ask. 2 power of 16 power x will be equal to 16 power 2 power of x. Do you all know how to do this? How to do this?
I think I know.
I think I might know.
We first make the 16 into the same base as 2. So
Yeah,
it's
that's what
Exactly.
I think.
2
Good
to the
job.
power 4.
Yeah, you can make any time you see a composite number in the base, put it as a prime power. That's the best way, and make the powers equal. Otherwise, we cannot solve. Okay, now
You have to
2
also
power.
bring
Wait,
so
so
Go ahead.
no, I was just gonna ask, if since we make it to the power of 4, do we combine it with the exponent of 2 above? But
How to combine this, by the way? How to combine that? Yes, I'm going to combine them, but how to
Multiply
combine them?
them.
Huh?
multiply
Multiply what and what? This is
4
2
and
power of
2.
4 and 2.
4. This will become
Mm,
4 times 2 power of x. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this would be 2 power of 4x. 2 power of 4x. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Because,
Mm,
yeah, because the base is the same. We are equate. Okay, let me not skip that. This becomes 16 power x.
yeah.
Right? This becomes 2 power of 4 whole power of x. Now you understood?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what happens. Now these two will get multiplied, right?
Yeah.
So 2 power of 4x will be equal 2 power of 4x. Now this can be written as 2 power of 2, right?
Yeah.
So 2 power of 2 plus x, right? Does that make sense? 2 power of 2 plus x, correct? Now 4x equal to 2 plus x, correct? So 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
Oh.
That was a tough one, right? So,
Wait, so
yeah, I'm here. If you don't understand, we'll please discuss. Yeah, go ahead.
so from
I'm
wait,
here. Go
4
ahead.
times 2 to the power of x.
Okay, where did you not understand, Swarit? I'm here to help anybody, whoever didn't.
When the 16 power of
Okay,
x
let me do
equal
step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5. Which one?
from step 1, like
From
starting there.
step 1, right?
Yeah, like just starting there, like
How did I get that you want to know, or the next step you
n-
want to know?
like I want to know like uh like
Okay,
how do you get to the next step is what I mean.
oh, okay, okay. 16, I expressed it as 2 power of 4. 16 is a composite number, remember? So it's 2 power of
Yeah,
4. Makes
yeah,
sense? And then 4, I put it out as 2 squared. Makes sense?
two
I am trying
square
to get the
two.
base as 2. Okay, now by
Okay.
property of exponent, power of power is multiplication. I multiplied. Okay, here this is like 2 power of 2, 2 power of x. It's like 2 power of a times 2 power of b, where we add a
Yeah,
and b. You
yeah,
got it?
two to the power of a plus b.
Yep. So 4x equal to 2 plus x. Makes sense? But
Okay.
one thing is this one, right? You're going to multiply. It's not like 4 power of 2 power of, this is like, this is one entity, this is one entity. Both will get multiplied. 4 times 2 power of x. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Those
And then
are the
6.
start.
Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to make mistakes. Ashwin, can I do one more question and then let you go? Is that okay, guys?
Yeah, I think
Is
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? 2 power of x equal to 6. Can you do this one? One or two more. With that, we'll go. These things are nice, guys. Meaning, getting a knowledge on these, yeah, really helps. Try that one. And then one last one, this one. We'll finish with that, okay? We reviewed a lot. I'll do one thing. I'll post an algebra 1 hard contest problem, okay? Try doing that, guys, at home. This one is from book. These two problems are from the book.
Randy, I can't see half the problems.
Yeah, I know. No. I hear you. Hold on. 2 power of x. I don't know what is going on with my. 2 power. 2 power of x equal to 6. Okay. Now find out 2 power of 3x minus 1.
Okay.
Okay, is that easy to say? Okay, I don't know. I really don't know.
If I think
Oh,
what
yeah. It's easy. Very easy. See, 2 power of x is 6. Now, I don't want the minus and all. Can I rewrite it? I'll give you a clue. This can be rewritten as 2 power of x divided by 2. Make sense?
Oh yeah, because 2 to the power of negative 1.
Exactly. Now from here, given this, will you be able to find what is this?
that
What is
means
it?
2 to the power of x to the power of 3, which is then you 6 to the power of 3 divided by 2, and then you get
Exactly. To find that, I can cube both sides. Right? So this will be 6 times 6
108.
times 6 divided by 2. That's the
Isn't,
answer, guys.
isn't that
36.
216 by 2, which is
Correct. Correct.
108?
Wait.
Yep. Dear, did you get it?
Yeah.
Anish, are you with me?
Yeah, I knew how to do that one.
Oh, you want to do one more time? What is that one more time? Which one?
I knew how to do this.
Oh, you knew how to do that. Then can I move on, Anish?
Yeah.
How about this? 4 power of x minus 33 times 2 power of x minus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. Find x. Hey, something is going wrong. I don't know. I'm not able to write. Let me finish with this. 4 power of x. Try that one. 4 power of x minus 33 times 2 power of. See, PEMDAS is also important here. See, the only way you can do these problems is if it is a composite number expressed as prime power. Make every power the same. Then only it becomes easy, guys. This might be a little tricky. We can just discuss and then move on. Meaning, we can just discuss, and I want you to do at home as well.
Wait, for 4 power of x, could we do 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x?
Yeah, correct. 2 to the power. See, that becomes 2 power of 2x, right?
Oh, well, yeah, 2.
Yeah.
2 to the power
We
of
have to
2.
be a little clever to do these. Minus 33 times 2 power of x minus 1 plus
Plus.
2 power of 3 when you think about it will be equal to 0.
Okay.
Hey, Auntie,
You know what? Yama,
I'm getting something weird. I'm getting like 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 squared.
you're getting that?
Wait.
Okay. Why don't I substitute 2 power of x equal to t? Can I substitute like that? Looks like it will work because it will become a quadratic equation. You see, if I do that, it will become a quadratic equation because this is 33 by
T.
2 t plus 8 equal to 0. Do you see it?
Wait, 33. Oh, okay. Yeah.
33 by 2 because of
2,
this
yeah,
by
negative
2
1. Yeah.
times t. So I feel like Vidit, I'll come to your answer. You solve in your own way. Don't follow this, and we'll see where we are. Can we try that?
Mm-hmm.
So this becomes 2t square minus 33t plus 8 equal to 0 minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. 4 are 8, 8 8 are 64 divided by 2a, right? Will be will be the value of t. What is 33 square? Am I for guys, if you're doing this, then we need to see.
Isn't
Isn't
that a difference of squares for the discriminant?
1089?
What ma?
For the discriminant, it's a difference of squares.
Hey,
Yeah.
you know what? I can solve this directly. Why should I go there?
Isn't
I think
33
this is
squared
solvable. 33, 33, 11 and 3, 11. 8 plus
1089?
16, 16.
33 squared gave me 1089.
Amma,
1089.
I feel like we are complicating it there.
If you're doing 33 squared minus 64, you can just do difference of squares there, can't you?
How?
30,
Difference of
33
square.
squared minus
You can
8 squared.
complete squares as well. Okay, whatever method you want to follow, I'm fine. Did you solve for y?
I'm solving for it.
Uh-huh. Can complete squares as well. You want me to complete squares and see that we can do as well. Minus b by 2a, right? B by 2a. So this would be what? Oh, that becomes so messy. That
I'm
becomes so.
getting a weird answer.
What was the answer?
I I don't know. It's like some radical.
It won't be a radical, right, Vidyut?
I don't know. I think I did something wrong with my steps.
I got 33 plus or minus 5 square root of 41 divided by 4. If we took the quadratic formula.
Is it that hard?
I got a 6.5 for some reason.
6.5 for what, Amma?
I don't know. I just got 6.5.
What is 33 square, guys?
1089.
1089.
Hmm.
Okay,
1025.
what
And
is the
then
square root of 1025?
5 square root of 41 is simplified. Pretty
Oh,
sure.
really?
I'm pretty sure. Because that's what I got. 5 square root of 41.
You want to continue that next week when you come back? Yeah, 5 square root of
Yeah.
40.
And then I don't know how to simplify that
41's
33.
prime, so I don't think I can simplify.
Yeah, 33 plus or minus 5 squared of
Can we
41
do it?
divided by 4. I don't know how to simplify that.
Something feels so wrong to me. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. 4 Divide by 2a is correct. T. That is it. Okay. Okay. Can we continue this next week? How
Yeah.
many of you know Simon's favorite factoring trick?
Me.
No. Oh, you know. Okay. Okay.
Hidden
Okay.
number.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whoever has studied you can use that here is what I'm thinking. But can we
Oh, and
discuss this next?
Priyanti, by
Hmm.
the way, for this thing, I'm getting x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 4.
I think that will work. So what was y?
Why? I don't know. I just went some weird method and I did. I used like the u squared that thing.
Oh, yeah, same thing, right?
Yeah, but I multiplied by 2 to get rid of the fraction.
Yeah, you multiply by 2 to get rid of the fraction. After that, yeah, it becomes 2y square minus 33t plus 16 equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
And then what did you do?
And then I factored it to solve it.
How did you factor 30? Yeah, factoring works, I feel. I also felt that. Does the factoring work? Let's see. One last time we'll try, guys. Otherwise, I'll let you go. Mm, yeah, one last time I'll try. Wait. Yeah, ma, வந்துட்டேன்டா ஒரு விளையாடு. Yeah, you can play. Okay, we'll see, guys. 1 minute. 2 t. Hey, I made a mistake. Nobody pointed this to me. I'm so sorry. What was the mistake, guys? What was the mistake? Sorry about it. What was the mistake? Huh? This is 16, right? See, 32 and 33 will
Oh,
go,
yeah.
right? Minus, 32 and
Oh,
33 is,
yeah.
I was trying to figure out what's between yours and mine were.
okay. That is why he got the answer we didn't. That's okay. 2t comes out. T minus 16 minus 1 comes out. T minus 16 equal to 0. So 2t minus 1 and t minus 16. So t equal to 16 or half. Am I making sense? So 2 power of x equal to 16 or 2 power of x equal to half. Now this is 2 power of minus 1, right? X equal to minus 1 comes out of here. And then Ashwin, you're following, right, Ashwin?
Yeah.
X equal to 4. These things are really helpful for PSAT SATs, guys. Okay, doing problems like this really only helps there, not with your EOC. Any questions here? Any questions? Can I stop here?
Yeah.
Okay, that was a long class. Thank you. We'll see
Bye,
you next week.
Brandy.
Bye, guys. I will put down the homework there. Please do alchemist.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.